Ano po ba ang difference ng institutional trade or and versus a retail trade? Sino po ba ang institutional traders? Ang institutional traders are the discretionary traders of a mutual fund or an ETF, exchange traded funds, or mga traders ito ng malalaking bangko. Sino pa ba? Corporations, insurance companies. Ito po yung mga traders who work for mutual funds, exchange traded funds, banks, corps, insurance companies, and ibig sabihin they are being employed not to trade for themselves but to trade for other people. Yan ang sinatawag na institutional traders. Institutional traders, or sometimes called discretionary traders. Yan. They trade for a corporation, a company, or a fund. Yan po ang institutional traders. Meaning, kung sila ay nagte-trade para sa isang korporasyon, di ba ang korporasyon maraming pera? Kung ikaw ay nagte-trade para sa isang kumpanya, ibig sabihin ang tinetrade mo dito ay malaki ang volume ng tinetrade mo. As opposed to a retail trade, sino ba ang retail trader? Tayo po. Retail traders trade for themselves. Ayan. So since you trade for yourself, ang pera na tinetrade mo is limited. So when you compare these two, kumbaga parang you are comparing a pebble to a boulder. Yan. So boulder hindi ibig sabihin mas hubad, no? Boulder na B-O-U-L-D-E-R. So yung boulder na yon, you are comparing a pebble to a boulder. Ibig sabihin mas malaki kasi ang pera na tinetrade ng mga institutional traders as opposed to retail traders. That is why, since malaki ang perang tinetrade nila, you have to understand the nature of institutional trading. Ang mga institutional trading po, nangyayari po yan, kaya po nila tinetrade yung mga yan because they have huge amount of money. So they are in a constant lookout where to park their money. So ibig sabihin, if they are parking their money there, it will be for a longer period of time as opposed to sa atin. So pagka ano po, ang magiging takeaway mo dyan ay if they are in constant lookout where to park their money, ibig sabihin, pag ikaw ba magpapark ka ng money ng kumpanya, let's say for example, you have 10 billion to park, you have 10 billion to invest. I-invest mo ba siya ng intraday? Hindi, di ba? Ang gagawin mo, you will look for a longer time frame. So halimbawa, titingnan mo ngayon siya dito sa weekly, sasabihin mo ngayon sa boss mo na since na nag-break na siya dito, Since na nag-break na siya dito, pwede nating antayin ang presyo, aantayin natin ang presyo na umabot ng, from here, umabot ng, dito natin aabangan ang presyo. Dito tayo mag-liquidate. If we are going to buy here, no matter what the random noise is going to happen in between, we will just neglect that and take profit here. So ganun po mag-isip ang institutional trader. Hindi po tulad sa atin na bawat akyat at galaw ng presyo, iniinda natin because what we want to happen is take advantage of the small fluctuations of the price in the market. Yun po ang difference po natin sa mga institutional investors. That is why ang takeaway natin dyan, whenever we see a support or resistance in higher time frame, it is ibig sabihin we pay or we heed those levels or we pay respect to those levels kasi most likely a huge amount of money is waiting in that area. Ibig sabihin, hindi kayang labanan yan ng 1,000 dolyar ko yung billions of dollars na nakaabang dyan. Yan. So it is wiser. Would you, if you are a pebble, would you meet a boulder that is rolling down? Would you meet it head on? Or you will stay away? Di ba you will stay away? So ganun po yung ano nun. I hope na yung ating discussion po ng institutional trade or ng institutional trade versus a retail trade nakatulong po sa inyo ngayong umaga ng pag-a-appreciate ng market. No po? So on that note, I would like to thank all of you for joining us ngayong umaga sa ating munting talakayan